Hi guys, it's Kung Fu Panda for Andre, and today, after 3 months or so long, we have a brand new vlog. This is Kung Fu Panda 4. The movie will be released, I think, March 8th, which is past now. And these are the new Jollibee toys. There are 5 toys to collect, so magsimula na tayo! First, we have Po here, the main character of Kung Fu Panda, the franchise, which is now how many years old? Which is 16 years old. Wow, so old. Because the first movie came out 2008, the second one came out 2011, the third 2016, and now fourth movie 2024. So there. For once, Jollibee has toys that are actually different than their normal mascot or characters. So these toys are so cool because they're so straightforward. No stickers, no kaarte-arte, no papels, no papeles. So Po has 3 pieces. We have a nunchuck, which we just fit like this. Here's the stand, ang kanyang pangtayo. So we put this like that, and then the other foot like that. And then we have this like dummy or a teddy bear. I like to call it a teddy bear because it looks like a teddy bear without feet. And we put that there, and there's a switch on the back end. So yeah, very straightforward. No, lots of things to attach. Nothing. It's just really simple, basic. Number 2 is Master Shifu, who is the secondary main character of Kung Fu Panda. This is probably my favorite or my second favorite, because his features so cool. So he has 2 pieces. So let's first take a look at Master Shifu. Here's his details. I don't know what animal is he. I think he's a rat. So let me know if I'm wrong or not. So his tail there. He's kind of made of rubber, but it's still plastic. So we have his base here, which is color black, and then here is a bell. It does not actually make a bell sound, but you can shake it like if you want. It sounds plastic. So what we do is put him on the base, put the bell in front, and he's gonna kick the bell. Ooh. Number 3 is Zhen, one of the new characters of Kung Fu Panda 4. She is a Arctic wolf, I think, or a fox. It's the same. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. They don't even have the internet.
She's a girl. She's a girl. She looks like a girl.
Okay, so I haven't watched the movie, and we're probably gonna watch it, but we're probably gonna forget watching it in the next few days. So there's her details. Finally, I haven't done a fast food video since December. The last Happy Meal toys, what were they called? The Let's Play McDonald's set. That was my last video. Here are the 2 orange pieces. Are these orange or brown? Yeah, they're brown. So we put them here. There's some holes and the pegs there, and this one like here. And then we press Zhen's back end. Number 4 is Chameleon, which is the new villain from Kung Fu Panda 4. New character. And it's a girl. I thought it was also a boy. I actually watched the movie trailer. It looked good, but I had no interest when I watched it because I thought probably McDonald's is gonna come out with it and it's gonna be paper. The current McDonald's toys are actually Justice League, but they're made of papers. That's why I didn't buy them. So anyway, what she does is roll, and she's like dancing. I don't know what kind of dance is this, but let me know. This is her tail, and yun yung kanyang mga detalye. And the 5th toy is Tai Lung. And this is actually the main villain of Kung Fu Panda 1. And I'm surprised that he came back. Because in the first movie, he got killed by Po. He got sent to the spirit realm. Because, Po says always, skadoosh. Skadoosh. So he has this base here, which is pretty plain. I actually have a hard time putting him on the base. And then what he does is you press this button on the back and he kicks his face off. And there, he kicks. Hopefully the other villains of Kung Fu Panda will return, like the peacock from the second movie and the third movies. I forgot the villain from the third movie, but this one and that peacock are my favorite villains of Kung Fu Panda. So hopefully they come back and have a big role and not like a cameo like they only appear for 1 second and never again. So that's all for this video. Really quick video, really simple toys. So I'll give this one in A tier out of 10. Solid 8.5 out of 10. So there. Now let's do the shoutouts. Let's do quite a few shoutouts. First, of course, to my family, ate, mama, and dada. Shoutout to you guys. Thank you for we ate Jollibee yesterday for lunch and got all the toys there. We actually didn't got actually hindi kami nabusog kahapon. Kasi burger lang kinain ko, tapos sila burger steak, chicken joy, kaya yun. Medyo kayo na mabusog pero okay lang. Shoutout syempre sa ating maganda at poging lolo at lola. Kahit di kayo bumili, salamat. At sa lahat ng subscribers ko, all of my subscribers, shoutout to you, all the 1,700 or 800 something subscribers. Of course, to all my teachers, friends, and everyone that is subscribed to this channel. Shout out to everyone, and hopefully we'll almost, I think, approaching 2,000 subscribers. So, baka naman! And of course, a big shout out to happy birthday to March 19. I love you so much. I really miss you. Whenever I see you, I always laugh. So, hopefully you enjoy this video and have an amazing birthday there all the way in America, wherever you are in America. So, hopefully come back in the Philippines and I'll get to smell your atomic bomb next year. So, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Hope you make sure to subscribe if you hadn't already. That will make it part of our channel where March 19 comes and does an atomic bomb for us. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys!